In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude on Janitor AI. So first thing what we're going to do is go to your Anthropic website. So go to your account, log into your Anthropic account, and then you need to get the API key first. So once you're on your dashboard here on your Anthropic website, so once I've logged in, click on get API key and then get your API key. Just do that. Okay, click on create key. Okay, and then you can just give a name to your key and then hit on add and then copy the key. Once you've copied the key, so now go to Janitor AI and log into Janitor AI. Once you've logged into Janitor AI, select the character that you want to chat with. So for example, here I'll just select this. So once you select the character here, so for example, this is the character. Now what we're going to do, click on the horizontal lines which is on your top right there on the characters on the screen. Click on it and then go and select API settings. From the API settings here, choose Claude. Okay, click on Claude. And then now under the Claude key, just paste the key that you just copied. Okay, paste the key and click on save settings. Once you click on save and it's going to ask you for a confirmation, click on yes. And once that's done, now you can start chatting. Janitor AI now should route your messages through Claude, and that's basically pretty much it is.